guys! What's up, what's up? So, Swirlybitz here again and welcome po ulit sa aking another episode ng ating tutorial. Guys, meron ba kayong PDF document that you wish to convert it into a Word document file so that may edit natin siya or we can do anything about it to put or to fill up something in it? So, guys, fortunately, there's an easy way to do that.
Okay guys, so let's jump up here in our computer. So first we have to open our Word, okay? And here there are two ways on how to do it, to open your PDF file into the Word. So first you can just open here and locate the file where you save it. Okay, you can just browse and locate the file, okay? And the second way on how to do it, okay, from here in the home section. So as you can see here in the desktop, I have two PDF documents here. So this is the PDF document that I want to convert it into the Word document, okay? So what we have to do is to click that file and drag here in the blank document. Okay, so it will ask, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. So all we have to do is just to click OK. And here it is, guys. So this is our Word document already. So from this one, so we can edit, highlights, or we can do anything that you want to change in this document that we converted into the Word file. So if you want to save this one into a Word file, so just click the file, save as, or save, okay, and you can save it into the Word document. Otherwise, if you want to save it as a PDF also, so just click home again. You can just click the file, okay, save as, and we can save this file into the PDF. So here's the PDF. So click PDF and click save. So that's how it is, guys. Super easy and super quick to do it. And now you can have your PDF file converted into a Word document. So we don't need to install any apps to do it.
So guys, if bago pa po kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell icon po para po ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong video na aking pong i-upload. And that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much. Hanggang sa muli.